Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW badge. First, gather your tools. You'll need a heat gun or hairdryer, some fishing line or dental floss, a plastic trim removal tool, and an adhesive remover. Make sure your car's surface is clean and dry. You might also want to use painter's tape around the badge to protect the paint, though it's often not strictly necessary. Now let's get that badge off. Use your heat gun or hairdryer to warm the badge and the adhesive underneath. Apply heat for about 1 minute, moving it constantly to avoid damaging the paint. Once warm, take your fishing line or dental floss and slide it behind the badge, using a sawing motion to cut through the adhesive. Then, use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the badge off. With the badge removed, you'll likely have some sticky residue left behind. Don't worry, this is normal. Spray your chosen adhesive remover directly onto the remaining glue. Let it sit for a few minutes, perhaps 2 to 3 minutes, to allow it to break down the adhesive. Then, using a clean microfiber cloth, gently wipe away the softened residue. You might need to repeat this step once or twice. Almost done. After removing all the adhesive, clean the area thoroughly with a car-safe cleaner to remove any residue from the adhesive remover. Take a moment to inspect the paint for any ghosting or marks where the badge used to be. Finally, apply a coat of wax or sealant to the area. This will protect the paint and help it blend seamlessly with the rest of your car's finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.